Hello everyone, welcome to 12 AM Coding. So today we will be seeing how we can resolve the port already in use error in Spring Boot. Okay, so if you see currently my Spring Boot application is pointing to 8090 port, and if I start this particular application, then it will run on 8090 port. Okay, so this is running now. For example, if I'm having another Spring Boot microservice which is running on 8090 port also. Okay, so if I start this particular application, then it should fail. Okay, see, it failed, and it is failed because description is web server failed to start, port 8090 was already in use. Okay, so this particular error will come and you will not be able to start your another application. So one way is you can just change the port actually. So server.port is the property in the properties file you can do, or if you want in YML, then you can just simply do port. Okay, and then this port you can do. Okay, so for example, currently we are having the properties file, so we will go with this dot syntax only, and I can just point to 8091, and if I run my application, then it should work actually. Okay, so if you see, my application is running up and running 8091 port. Okay, so this is the one way. Now another way is, if let's say you want to run it on 8090 port only and you don't know which process in your system has hold that particular port. Okay, so there is a command line way also you can just remove the ports or delete the ports which are already in use. So in Mac you can do it simply by using this command. First one you need to do lsof, then space hyphen I, and then port number. So in our case 8090, right? So I am just putting 8090, so it will give me the processes which is running on my current system. So this particular application is already running, right? So it is telling me the process. Now I can do one thing. I can simply kill this particular port, okay, or kill this particular process. So this PID you need to copy, and then you need to pass it to this particular command, kill space hyphen 9, then this particular. So if you see, uh, if you see my another application, it automatically stopped, right? Because that command stopped it. And if now I run my application, then it should be working. Okay, so if you see, now this application is running on 8090 port. So by this way you can handle this particular error gracefully. And for Windows, like, this is the command. This particular you need to put netstat and then hyphen ano, then find str 8080 or whatever your port number, and then you need to task kill with the process id, whatever process id you are having, as I already shown. Okay, so this is the way. Now sometimes it happens that we might forget to check if our Spring Boot application is running or not. Okay, if already running, then manually you can go and stop it. So yes guys, that's are the ways to resolve this already port already in use error. So yeah, if you like this particular video, then definitely press the like button, share with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.